So I'm here in the Inglewood neighborhood of Indianapolis, and I've got a great story for you. All right, young chef from Mexico lived in that building right there. And she went to the Inglewood Community Development Corporation and said, listen, there's an abandoned building right over there that my dad and I would love to put a little tamale shop in. They have built a following. They are doing tamales, tacos, you name it. Everybody loves it. This is Tlaole.
Quesadillas up.
It's a different way to experience Mexican food.
More casado. Your mind's blown. You're like, what is this?
One ACDC torta.
How do you say it in the first place?
Everybody says it differently.
I say it's the house that Carlos Hutchison built with the help of his local community and daughter Carla, who's now a culinary instructor in Los Angeles.
I used to work for steel companies in Mexico, but my hobby always was cooking. Carla, that is a chef, so she trained me to open this business.
American dream.
Here's your turkey tamales.
The turkey tamale is just phenomenal.
It's cranberry sauce on a turkey tamale, and you're like, how does that even work?
All right, so ground turkey.
Onion powder, thyme, garlic powder, white pepper, majoram,
A little kosher salt.
water, and we're gonna mix it. Butter, sage.
Are we gonna roast this in the oven?
375 for 20 minutes.
Okay, so we've did cooked turkey, shredded turkey breast. What do we do next?
Turkey tamale sauce. We're gonna begin with the fresh pepper, tomato powder, sour cream, fresh red tomatoes. Mix the ground turkey with the shredded turkey salsa. Finishing with olive oil.
I assume this is the cranberry sauce.
Yeah.
Olive oil and water. We'll see the oil and water combo.
Cranberry, wait until that bloom.
Bloom.
Manzano pepper, habanero, Roma tomatoes, sage, jalapeno peppers, red onions,
Orange peel?
tangerine, this quite different, sugar cane cone, tangerine juice, orange juice, celery seed, salt, black pepper
We'll let this cook.
for 20 minutes. Cider vinegar, fresh cranberry, cilantro, and then blend all together. We're gonna do the masa, olive oil, celery seed, celery salt, thyme, baking powder, oregano, sage, garlic powder,
Marjoram.
salt, onion powder, mix it. We're ready for the machine.
Let's get the máquina. We are in uncharted territory right now, folks. Is he's gonna pack it around the sides with the masa. And then I think we're gonna put the meat right in the center of that.
Correct.
That's our turkey. Wow. Never seen this before. Now that this is done,
We need some corn husks,
that have been soaked in water,
a little bit here. Wrap the tamales. Put it in aluminum foil.
now from here we'll steam them.
Yes. Plate the turkey tamales, some cranberry salsa, a little bit of cilantro, and that's it.
I've never had a turkey tamale, but it's delicious. Good texture from the masarina, very rustic. You can't tell that I like the salsa, by the way. I get a little bit of spice in the cranberry. I just housed a whole tamale here talking to you. Delicious. Like, eat the husk, delicious.
Turkey tamale are ready.
The mesa is just phenomenal.
The cranberry salsa is one of my favorite things that Carlos makes.
The pork asado tacos.
It really is just a wonderful hidden gem.
This is the dude, the Inglewood Community Development Corporation. You guys gave them the kickstart.
We've been very lucky to partner with him for about 10 years now. It's a good place to build community, get some great food.
Vegan Birria Tacos.
They've got the best vegan tacos in town.
You never miss or even realize that you're not eating meat.
Birria typically is made with goat,
In place of the goat, we just jackfruit,
jackfruit. So first thing we're gonna start off,
chili paste salsa, Roma tomatoes, oil,
onions and garlic.
oregano, cumin, bay leaf, thyme, marjoram, water. Cook everything, and then we add the chilies.
We have
Ancho,
Guajillo.
and puya.
hit it with the immersion blender for a long time.
This is vinegar,
Got it.
jackfruit, paprika,
Because if that was cayenne, I was gonna be scared.
onion powder, marjoram, salt, oregano, garlic powder, bay leaf, and rosemary.
You can smell that from here.
Cumin, thyme,
So this is the house paste.
yes.
Delicious.
Mix it,
The oil going in too?
yes. Cook it for 30 minutes in total.
Roasted plantains.
Yes. Onion powder, salt, white pepper, guajillo powder.
So this gets mixed with the jackfruit.
Yes, little bit of chili paste. Put it in the oven 15 minutes.
The party continues.
Prepare the mushroom,
So you got oyster mushrooms and the white button,
oil with onions and garlic.
garlic. This guy's going next level. Now we're gonna roast this off.
15 minutes, combine our mushroom with the jackfruit chili paste, and birria is done.
All right, so the last thing we're gonna make?
The consomme, whole tomatoes, onion, garlic, and jalapeno. The chili paste that we
made earlier.
Tomato paste, cinnamon, and clove.
Okay,
Salt, vegan broth,
got it.
cumin,
What's in the sachet?
marjoram, bay leaf,
Okay.
and thyme.
We'll cook that down, take that out, and then puree that.
Correct. We're gonna make our birria tacos. The tortillas, canola oil, guajillo powder,
But he really thinks through all this. Vegan cheese, look at that.
a little bit of pico. Turn it like this and present it. And put a little bit of lime on it.
I'm speechless. That's better than 80% of the birria tacos I've had. There is so much flavor, so many great textures. The mushroom is the winner. The consomme dip, a 10. I don't say that very often, but that's a 10.
Thank you so much. Vegan birria.
Have you had birria tacos before?
They're one of my favorites.
You've had it with meat and you've had it with jackfruit.
I prefer these.
The crispiness on the outside of the shell, and then like the softness on the inside.
On a 1 to 10 scale,
Above 10.
Carlos gets it.
100%.
Tortas!
I come like at least once a week now. I can't stop coming.
Not a normal person sees this. You were born a chef. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.